When starting a YouTube channel, should you start with several videos? So what I mean by that is, should you create several videos before you upload any and then upload them all at the same time and have them all go public at the same time? No, you should not do that. I understand why some people suggest you should and why some people think you should. And the reason is because if somebody watches one of your videos, wouldn't it be great for YouTube to be able to recommend them another one of your videos when the first one's finished? Yeah, that would be great. But if you do that, you're potentially stunting the growth of perhaps a good video. So what I mean by that is, whenever you upload a new video, okay, YouTube is going to test it. They're going to test it on the audience they think you're trying to reach. All right. Now, with your first video, they may have a tough time, right? They may not know who you're trying to reach unless your video is super specific in the topic. And quite honestly, when people are typically starting a channel, they're not that good yet at isolating one topic to talk about that is going to be good. I mean, let's face it. When we first start YouTube, we're typically not that good at making videos that people are going to watch all the way through. Okay. Now, if you're starting another channel and you already have some experience, maybe this doesn't apply to you. Maybe you will be good at making good videos. But either way, let's say you do make a video that could potentially do well. If you upload that one and another one even at the same time, then which one is YouTube going to test? I mean, they're going to test them both, but let's say one starts doing really well. Well, what YouTube normally does is it will then take that video, and if it sees it as performing well with the people that it's putting that video out in front of, then it's going to test it on a wider audience. It's going to test it on more people. Okay, so these other people may see your thumbnail for your first video, but if you've got another video new competing with it, if you think about the viewer for a second, the viewer is presented with, when they open up YouTube, they're presented with a page of several videos, right? 9, 16, it depends on how large their screen is, I guess. But they're going to be presented with some options from YouTube. YouTube is never going to present 2 options from you, okay? Only one. So which one are they going to show? If they think your video is doing well, if they think you're an up-and-coming creator, they're going to pick one, right? One or the other. So what could happen is, by uploading that second video at the same time, that one might get pushed in front of people instead of the first one, which should get pushed in front of more people, and it therefore may stunt the growth of that first good video. Okay? So my point is, did I say that already? My point is, it's cold. It's cold. Anyway, my point is, you don't want videos competing with each other. You don't want multiple of your own videos competing with each other. Give each one time to breathe. So I think a better strategy, if you want to make several videos early on to kind of jumpstart your channel, what I would do instead is I would decide which order to upload them in, and then upload them one at a time, giving each one time to breathe. Okay? Doesn't have to be like a whole week between videos. Like, let's say your strategy is going to be uploading 1 video per week, but let's say you want to make 4 videos to begin with. Well, if you have 4 videos ready and you know you're going to be uploading once a week, then maybe you want to jumpstart your channel by uploading maybe one every 3 or 4 days, okay, until the 4 are uploaded. And be flexible with that too, right? Like, if you upload a video and, it gets some views and then levels off, it's not getting any more views, whether that's 2 days later, 3 days later, whatever, once it's leveled off, upload the next one, okay? But keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on your YouTube analytics. If any one of those videos starts doing really well and starts bringing in a lot of views day after day after day, delay the release of the next video until the well-performing video has kind of finished its run. Okay, that's the way I would look at it. But meanwhile, work on your video number 5, 6, 7, whatever, right? So I'm making this video because I do get this question a lot. In fact, I just answered this question this morning that somebody asked yesterday. Same thing. I'm ready. I've got my 4 first videos ready. I'm going to upload them all this week so that people can be recommended my next video once they watch the first. I get that logic. That logic is sound, but I just worry that doing that may stunt the growth of a potentially well-performing video. Okay, so that's my advice. That's what I would do. I mean, do your own thing. I don't have any, written proof that my way is the best way. I just try to think these things through in terms of, the things that I've learned and what I've seen, and just try to apply some logic to these questions. All right, but ultimately you do have to figure these things out on your own. Every channel does perform differently. Some people will release their first video and it just takes off and does amazingly well. Other people might upload 50 videos before even one does well at all, right? So do your own thing, test things out, but that's what I would do in this case. All right, I hope you found this helpful. My name is Rob. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.